Today, BangMung is gonna teach you how to clean your Makarov squared. Oh yeah.
BangMung, 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 Mung, BangMung, 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 Mung, BangMung, 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 Mung, BangMung, 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 Mung, Mung, boom!
Yeah. Howdy there, folks. Welcome back to BangMung. Yeah, we got another cleaning video for you guys. This time with both of the Makarovs. We got my boy right here, bit more worn. I got that at the old Panama shop. And then we got my dad's, who also got it at the Panama shop. But this is in a little bit better condition. It's actually a slightly different model here if you would look. I gotta free the lips real quick. This is getting hard to breathe in. Okay, so there we go. Now that I've actually practiced my breathing, I'm gonna go ahead and show you. We got the sights are a main difference other than the grips, but you can see these ones are fixed all across the rail here on my dad's. And the safety switch is a little slightly different style. Put this flobber back over here. And then we got mine, which as you can see, it has a fixed screw holding the rear sight down with obviously a different grip and a slightly different safety lever. Very slight differences. I'm not sure what models they are. I don't really pay attention to a lot of them. Have free the lips a little bit further. It's all stuck up on there, you know what I mean? Okay, well that just had to come out real quick, but fuck. Oh, you're so good. Okay, so we got our Makarovs. Social distancing, of course, because, you know, I've heard a certain Uncle Rona is coming back to get in people's pants, so, you know, we gotta make sure that they're 6 feet apart, because, you know, guns can get viruses, too. But we got our usual stuff today. Earl, Rag, and, you know, we're gonna do a little bit of something different here today. You keep them entertained, okay? I'm gonna be right back. Okay, I'm back. I hope you had a good time here with Mr. Zane behind the camera. But here we have our FBI Secret Service kit. And by that I mean gun cleaning kit. This is for a certain Mr. John Smith, who's apparently tired of Mr. Boresnake and his friends. What's wrong with Boresnake, man? Come on, John. You gotta love Mr. Slitherworth. But with that, before we get into this cleaning, I have something to say here. Subscribe, peoples. I see your views, but I don't see that subscribe count coming. Come on. I will do one of those generic fucking it's free bullshits if you don't. Subscribe to BangMung. Okay, time to clean. So, we're gonna do my dad's first, because that's the entire reason he let me do it, is because I had to clean it, you know? Like, if you break it, you buy it. And that was not all the way in, it didn't catch the slide. There we go. Got our fella blobba open, and we're gonna go ahead and, let's see, what do we do here? We do a thing. I'm not too familiar with these fellas, but you know, it's a learning process for everyone. God damn. I'm a belchy boy today. Alright. Okay. We assembled the long fella with our copper bristles. Now this did give it a little bit of a test, and it seems like, yeah, that'll be a very, very firm fit, as it should be, because that'll clean the ever-living fuck out of it. So, take our sloppy oil and cream it in there. And what? Okay, we're gonna go ahead and resume now. Get your fucking chuckles out now, Zane. You shart. Now, Zane, do you have anything to say to everyone? Mr. John Smith also said that he wishes to hear more from you. Tell us a story while I clean the board.
That's a handle.
Yes.
Not that.
You are
handle.
You are correct.
Grab the handle.
But the leverage.
Grab the handle.
I did.
Thanks.
Orphans!
So, a way that we could go about disassembling this here is, well, I'm not going to because I don't know how to get it back together, is you take the bottom of the top of the trigger guard out, and then you're able to take the slide off. I don't think I should. I was contemplating my choices there, and, well, the AK-47, that gives me a bit of an issue trying to get it back together, and who knows with this thing. It's another Russian ingenuity, so I don't know. But, cleanse barrel here, and we're going to go ahead and take a little... It's obviously clear, so settle down there, poop ass! Slide a little bit in there, slop our mag out, and give that a good oil cycling. Spread it like an anus that you're trying to wipe real good. Speaking of spread, I saw something that shouldn't have existed today. I'm gonna get into that later if you want to hear it. We're gonna save that for the end of the day, well, the end of this video. You're gonna hear a story of what happened today. So let's go ahead and cut to the next gun. Alright, before I do this, I just want to tell you something here. This right here is a real man's toothbrush. This is your toothpaste bottle. You squib it on there and you your gums ain't bleeding like a fucking blood thinners in your body. You ain't brushing your teeth right, boys. Get back on there. Get back on there. What? I heard that. Okay. Get back in there. Now. Safety was on. I feel it to the cream, Bob. What are you shaking for back there, boy? Ow! I poked my thumb. My garanded thumb. All right. Can I do it the other way? No. You've learned something today. You can't go both ways. Mag. Slap it, schlut. Schlut, okay, new word into today. And Urgle and... It's Russian, so it's okay. Fuck you. Dry fire again. You're never escaping it. Slap it in and hold these guys awkward style and dry fire twice because I missed that one. Okay, now what do we need now? What do we need now? I'm looking for who asked, but I need to find what I need now. Okay, let's find out. Let's find out. I don't recall this being here. Silica gel.
Eat it.
It says not to.
Eat.
I can't.
Eat.
It's illegal.
It says
Do not.
eat.
It says try to eat or throw away.
Let me see that.
Okay. Let's eat it or eat.
Eat.
Yeah.
Way. Eat way. Eat.
Oh.
Success.
And that right there is a little PSA on why you don't eat silica gel.
All right, let's go into this.
Squirt them up real good. Rub. Clean them at the same time. Get rubbed real good. Rub. Puke. Alright, you already know what I do here. I'm just oiling the shit out of these guns. You've seen me do it a billion times. Let's move this out of the way. Let's get them both in shot here. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and cut to where the end of this oiling is with just like a really quick cut, like super quick cut. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. So I'm rubbing down. Just gotta make sure you get every little bit. I've already oiled the inside. Safety back up, because we're not gonna be back in there. And you know what? We're gonna go ahead and slather the other guy. Not like the fucking aggressive breath. Alright, well, it looks like it's that time of the month because we got our little tampon stick on here now. I'm gonna go ahead and ram this bitch down in here. It would appear as though it's too small. Let's go ahead and tactically reload. You'll get a maxi pad type this one. This ought to do it. Why is it so big? Why is it large? Is there an adapter in here? I gotta play fucking Modern Warfare just to get these bitches together. I had to put an adapter on an adapter to make this bitch fit. Okay, what the fuck? It's not fitting! Okay, is there another adapter? Shades off, bitch. I'm looking for the shit so I can actually see what I'm looking for. Holy shit, get her done. What are you? Okay, there has to be some kind of adapter-izzle in here. Maybe this will work, and I didn't even fucking need it the entire time. Look at this shit. Fucking adapter for the hang on, I'm gonna go ahead and take this apart real quick just so you can see the convoluted nonsense I just dealt with. Okay, so this is an adapter for one of these big fellas in here. I don't know which one. So I also needed an adapter for this, because this was too big for this. So I needed to put this on that so I can put it in this. The fuck kind of shit is this? Who rigged this together? This is big brain dumbassery right here. Okay, here we go. We gotta put together. We gotta go. Rub it in. Ooh. Ow. I did it again. God damn, look at that fucking boy! I went from white to, I don't know, racially correct. I just went there. Yes, I did. Welcome to BangMung. Enjoy your stay. It gets worse from here. Here we go. Slap that bish over there. Yeah. There we go. So yeah, you got to see my eyes for a second, staring into your fucking soul. But, as said, as usual, I don't know where the old lady voice came from. These are nice and clean. But now we have story time as to what I saw today. Today, on August 24th, 2024. Let's go ahead and cut to this story. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and put this guy up for a second here, and you know, let out more guttural gloss. Well, I can put it together. But I'm gonna go, like, as I clean up here, we're gonna go ahead and tell you something, okay? So today we went out to do a bunch of stuff together as a family, and we stopped at a Dairy Queen on the way home, get some ice cream, as you would from a Dairy Queen. I don't know what else you would fucking get from there, like herpes or some shit maybe, but. We stopped there, and we were just having a grand old time, being family people, doing things. And, well, when we left, I managed to see something that I wish I hadn't. I wish I had never laid eyes on it, but I had no choice. We were coming out the same way as they were walking by. There was this woman, I use that term lightly, woman, and the way her body was curved should not have been the way it was, okay? She was sitting like this, like a whole lowercase letter B. That's how she was sitting. Alright? Now, the first thing that comes to my mind is, who let Mercury out of the solar system? That's the first thing that came to my head. And then the next thing you know, the more I look, the worse it gets. I'm starting to think. I'm starting like how do you let yourself appear that way? Are you a fucking prized hog sitting in disguise? I mean, I openly had to say it looks like she was a quilt stuffed with multiple quilts. I mean, she was all wrapped up. It looked like a fucking Subway sandwich exploded in a fucking dryer. I don't know how to describe it. It was pure girth. I mean, I'm quite hefty too, but I mean, when I'm sitting there looking like, what the fuck? You know it's bad. That lady she just needs to go back to the bear cave. Hibernate for the rest of her life. No. Well, that was story time with Mung. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you watched me clean these all the way through. I hope you subscribe. Do it. I know you're watching the videos. Just click that little red button and let's see what happens next, man. Come on, you just doesn't gotta do it. Zane, you should tell them to subscribe. Maybe they'll listen to you.
Don't.
You wanna say that again? Yeah, you want them to subscribe? Yeah? Okay, good. You heard him. Subscribe to BangMung. Do it. Right now. And yeah! I will see you whenever I upload next!
BangMung, 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 Mung, BangMung, 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 Mung, BangMung, 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 Mung, BangMung, 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 Mung, Mung, boom!